I will have discipline and order in my classroom, no matter how gently it must be enforced.
Today we are going to draw cartoon Dolores Umbridge. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Let's get started. First, draw her happy smiling eyes. They're just two curved lines with little eyelashes at the ends. Now draw her tiny little nose right in the middle. Next, draw her big happy smile. Leave some space at the top for her teeth, then add her little tongue inside. Now draw one big curved line underneath to make the bottom of her face. Next, let's start her hair. Draw the front hairline and connect it to one ear. Leave a tiny gap where the ear meets the face so we can add her earring. Now do the same thing on the other side. Before we finish her hair, let's quickly draw the guidelines for her sleeves on both sides. This will make it easier to connect everything later. Now let's finish her wavy hairstyle. You can follow along and draw the darker lines with me as we go. Just draw lots of soft, bouncy curves all around her head. It's easier than it looks. She looks sweet on the outside, but she's not very kind on the inside. Add her two tiny eyebrows right above her smiling eyes. Her face is finished. Now let's move on to her outfit. Draw her arms and then start sketching her neat little jacket. Dolores Umbridge always wears very neat and tidy clothes. Now draw her white collar. Then add a small bow in the middle. Now draw her right hand. Next, draw two little pockets on her jacket and add two buttons down the front. On the other side, draw her hand wrapped around her cat wand. It's easier than you might think. If you need a little extra time, feel free to pause the video and draw with me at your own pace. Now let's draw her short, wide skirt underneath the jacket. And finish with her simple little high-heeled shoes. And we're all done. Amazing job! Now you can easily color your drawing by following the reference image. See, it was much easier than you thought. Did you enjoy drawing with me? Give this video a thumbs up.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.